Okay, this is Kiran Kumar, CSC lab programmer. Now discussing with the another program in the common errors in that particular program. So I'm taking the this demo error. So here I'm calculating the rectangular area by using these keywords. So here some of the problems is arise in that particular program. So the first question is arised in that particular program is more than one class in the same file is possible or not. The first of all, say, one more than a one class you can write in your same file is possible or not. The first of all, it is possible when you are not declaring the access specifiers of a class. Let me check. So because here in this code I am writing the one class this demo, the another class is the rectangle. So the first of all is the public class, the also I can assign also specific specifier to the same class, rectangle, another class called rectangle. So just to save it, so I can give the abc dot java, sorry, uh, rect.java. So I am giving the rect.java is given. So your file is created. So there is no problem. But your compilation time, what happened? So check it. Java C rect, sorry, rect.java. You can given an enter. So here some of the problem is there because class this demo is public, class rectangle is public. So should be declared in a file named this demo.java. So another message is also called the rectangle.java. So what is the meaning in that particular file? So two classes are not creating in the same file. It is not possible when you are declaring the public. So remove. So the next step you can give the remove the public, right? So let's go to the code. So remove the public. Then save and close. Save. So then give to the rect.java. So here it is successfully created with the more than one class without using access specifier in the Java code. So it is possible to create. But how it is run? So here the two classes are there. So Java must contains a main class to execute the program. It is the basic point. So what the class is in here? So first of all, you can check it ls. So rectangle dot class this dot class. So n number of classes in that particular file. You can separate dot class files. You can generate it by your Java compiler. So please note that one. It is a good point for you. So which class you are using for the executing? So the find out what the main class method in which class, that class will gives to the interpreter, they're going to execute it. So the first of all, sorry, Java space this this demo again successfully executed. So in this problem, so the third case, you can given to the one class public, the another class there is no representative access specifier. It is possible. So let me check it. The first of all, save and close. I can check it. Java C rect.java. I can give it. So it is not possible because your file name is must be a rectangle. Without rectangle, you cannot create it. So because here the generate the file, the class The rectangle is the public. Should be declare the file name is the rectangle.java. So once you declare the access specifier of the public, you should bring the class name also a same name of the class name. So that way there is an gives an error. So how to rectify that one? So you can go to the once again go to the source code. Then it class can copy the class file. So then it will go to the save as rectangle.java, rectangle.java. Then give it and save. Then we'll go to Java C rectangle.java. Then we will compile it. It is successfully compiled. Then you go to the execution part. So you can give an error. The runtime error is there. The interpreter is cannot find out the class. So rectangle is not a main method class. That was the reason it gives the error. So here the also declare the error. Please define the main method. So please define the main method. Public static void main. Public static void main method. Which class is there? That class will give me that you can show that an error. So definitely the rectangle is the public class, but in this public class also has this demo is there. So it gives in a successfully completed. The cases are arranged in the basic level. So please find out and don't make mistakes. So thank you.